As the city confirms another 161 new cases of COVID-19 and 2 more lost lives. Some good news for patients with COVID-19 here in the Hub City. Mayor Pope and County Judge Curtis Parrish took a tour of the new COVID-19 Therapeutic Infusion Center today. KLBK's Alyssa Tellez joins us now. You were there for the tour. What do they say the goals are?
Terry, this is Lubbock's 3rd infusion site, but this one is run by the state. Patients will get treatment for free and begin taking patients as soon as tomorrow. More resources in the fight against COVID-19.
It's good for Lubbock, it's good for the region.
On Tuesday, Governor Greg Abbott announcing the Texas Division of Emergency Management has established a COVID-19 therapeutic center in Lubbock.
The local health department already has an amazing referral process in place.
City leaders taking a tour of the site a day before patients will begin treatment.
And really, this has moved very quickly. It's taken, from the time they said they were going to do it to today, it's taken about less than 2 weeks.
Covenant is leasing the former Grace Clinic to the state. Patients will either receive bamlanivimab or Regeneron's monoclonal antibodies.
They're both the same thing in terms of a monoclonal antibody that attacks the surface antigens on the virus itself.
With 10 stations, patients can expect to be on site for a little more than 2.5 hours. One for treatment and the other for observation.
Hopefully this will help decrease the number of patients going to the hospital, number of patients getting admitted to the hospital, and number of beds being occupied at the ICU, and ultimately saving lives.
In order to get the free treatment, patients must see a physician and meet the criteria.
Typically, the patients have to have had symptoms for less than 10 days and have had a positive COVID-19 test within 5 days of the initiation of treatment.
This is Lubbock's 3rd infusion site. Located in the center of town, city leaders say it will not only be accessible to folks in East Lubbock, but those living in our rural communities.
A one-time treatment only, and we are hoping very desperately that it will reduce their symptoms and reduce their disease severity.
With 30 patients able to receive treatment in a day, they hope patients will take advantage of the added supply.
Getting it early, letting people recover at home and not go to the hospital.
In an effort to save more lives. The facility is located at 2412 50th Street. That's the previous Grace Clinic location. Treatment is free, but walk-in patients aren't being accepted. To get an appointment, you must be referred by a doctor or hospital. If you don't have access to these resources, you can call the Lubbock Health Department. We have the number there on your screen.